Welcome back. It's crafting time. It's crafting time. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another gardening update. And I am just sharing with you this plant that I have been updating about. I still am not, it's the plant identifier, excuse me. The plant identifier keeps saying this is some kind of elephant foot. But I know doggone well the seeds I planted had nowhere on it saying elephant foot. I don't remember. I didn't buy any seeds called elephant foot. So I don't know. We just gonna have to keep up. I'm just gonna have to keep updating this plant and see if it grows flowers or something. Cause basically that's what I bought, flower seeds and vegetable seeds. Herb seeds. I didn't buy just plant seeds. Well, I did buy one plant, but it's big old giant. This plant I planted, what is that? I gotta check over there and see if it's even growing. It looks like an arrow. It has those arrow leaves. I forgot what it's called, but it was a big old tubular seed thing, and I planted it over there, out there on the balcony. It's behind there somewhere. I think it should have some light. I'm not sure yet, but I think it does. But I want to put, well, anyway, I'll talk about that later. But I'm just right now discussing. I'm sorry I went on the down talking about something else, but I want to stay focused on this plant here. I think this might be a flowering plant. It's still growing beautiful leaves, but I think eventually this should have some flowers on it, because I wouldn't just buy a plant just with some viney, you know, just growing viney and no flowers. So I'm pretty sure this is a flowering plant. It just haven't got to the point where it's flowering. But since that injury, and I put that twist tie on there to keep it set up, it's still growing. And I guess that's the only seed that made it, because it just one up in here and it's holding on. I guess it must have healed itself from that little injury on this little stock. I got the stick in there that I'm supporting it with for support, but we'll see. Don't forget, guys, to check out the other participants in this collaboration. I put their channel information in the beginning of this video. Go and check out and see what they're doing this Saturday in their garden. And I would say this is a success story, because this plant should have perished because its little vine had broke. But like I said, I stood it up and put that twist tie on there, and I guess it wanted to survive, so it's still surviving. But yeah, guys, don't forget to check out my friends in this collaboration. Go and see what they're doing in their garden. I'm pretty sure they're doing something amazing, because it's spring and everything is alive, coming alive, or developing in some shape, form, or fashion. So enjoy, you guys, and happy gardening. Thanks for your support. Bye for now.
See you next time for crafting time. For crafting time. Okay.